Let's see if this motherfucker skips. Nope. It's not skipping like before. I mean, it is a little bit, but the phone was doing it a little bit too. Oh, now it's doing it. I guess it's just device. Storage device. Need more RAMs. Damn it. Come on, team. Let's go ham on these fools. Mopping these pussies. Right in front of him and he didn't see me. Got the double. Got him. Creeped up on him. Just creeping up on him. Mama Spade. Mama Spade getting me. Ah, took one with me. Damn. With my luck, they both spawned in the same spot and I was in there with both of them niggas. Oh shit, that was cool. It runs a little better. But I don't know, it's because there's not that many people on the server right now. You heard, babe? It's running a little better. But I'll find out. Because if anything, I'll just... gotta find them little SD cards I'll be taking off the phone so when we don't use them anymore. Damn, my dude right there, man. He killed both of us. The fuck? Oh, there was another guy in another room. Lucky mother truckers. About to whip out the jiggles on these niggas. Have them jiggling in they fucking military boots. Not good stats, not good stats. Why the fuck my guy's not running? Damn, how many times they gotta shoot that nigga? Pussies. Damn. They keep switching me, man. Now I'm back on this side. What the fugazi? Got the niggas. Double kill, because I hit him with the grenade, too. Motherfucking right. Spades be killing motherfuckers, bro. We don't be playing. Lay your bitch ass down. Camping bastard. I'm sitting there camping the whole time. Both of them pussies. Lay the fuck down. Got both of them motherfuckers. How we do? Assassins, baby. Assassins. The assassin. Look, see, they play like a team, though. Them niggas all together, though. That shit look cool as hell, babe. Yeah. Hell yeah. They play together, man, like you're supposed to. Play like a squad.
Yeah, turn the fan on and you turn it back on.
Well, then bring your ass up here. Love you, babe. Sleep under the bed. Well, there's no fan. Woo! Damn it, always catching me when I'm fucking reloading, man. What the fuck? It never fails. Hesitate to reload, then when you do reload, that's when everybody pop up. Like, come on. You son of a bee. Let's go, pimpin'. Woo! Headshot. Another one. Bites the dust. Another one bites the spade. And the train massacre continues. Train massacre. This is going to be a train massacre. Oh well. I get stuck with the bullshit team. Come on, guys. See, everybody's all scared. Follow each other, man. Follow each other and play as a team. Follow the one that's playing the best. Boy's getting trashed. Dang. Now it's starting to lag. That damn fucking line chat bullshit be making my shit lag too. Still be getting kills, but it be laggy. Lagging like a mother trucker. Damn. You wanna whip out a G28? I'm gonna whip out my G28, mother trucker. See how you gonna do. See how you gonna do now. See what you gonna do now. Oh, behind me. Oh. Lay down, faggot. Everybody leaving. They can't handle the pressure. Because we're losing. Motherfuckers leaving left and right. They shook. Like, just play together, man. Bums. Freaking bums. All dome shots. All dome shots, yo. Woo-wee. Nigga was eating them eagles. How this nigga shooting behind him, yo? He's shooting me and I'm standing behind him. How the fuck is that possible, man? What the fuck? Yo, that was unbelievable. Unbelievable. Niggas is shooting. Look, that's some more cheating shit. Look at him. He's shooting the totally opposite direction and getting me. What kind of shit is that? Still won. Well, winning. Anyway. Damn, the whole crew. Damn, I was about to toss that nade, bitch. Switch my gun on these clowns. Pussy, take that. Unload it on his ass. Disrespect a spade like that. That's lagging like hell, man. That's that fucking lime shit, man. That lime chat shit. About to uninstall that bullshit. They keep on. Keep lagging. Look at this nigga. He's shooting the wrong fucking way. Faggot, cheating bastard. Still fucking tied it up. Came back to tie it up.